Good morning, my dear children. Welcome to the class of EVS. Today, we are going to discuss the textbook exercises for the chapter Our Green Friends. Do you all remember the chapter, children? Yes, very good. In this chapter, we learned more about plants, isn't it? Yes. Today, I am here to teach you the textbook exercises for this chapter. So all of you take out your textbooks, pencils and erasers. Okay. Open page number 156. 156. All of you open page number 156 and put on date, children. Put today's date on this page. Okay. Yes, all of you listen carefully. First one, exercises. Fill in the blanks. Choose the words from the list. Here we can see some options. Okay. Seed, soil, fruits, food and seeds. Okay. You have to choose the correct answer. Okay. Then fill in the blanks. First one, roots grow into the dash. Roots grow into the dash. Yes. Which is here correct answer, children? Yes. Roots grow into the soil. Very good. Roots grow into the soil. Roots grow deep down into the soil. Not up. Roots grow deep down into the soil. So all of you write down soil. S-O-I-L. Soil. Okay. Yes. Then second one. Leaves make dash for the plant. We already discussed what is the function of a leaf. Yes. Leaves make food for the plant. Yes. Leaves make food for the plant. So all of you write down F-O-O-D. Food. Okay. Then third one. Flowers grow into dash. Flowers grow into dash. Yes, flowers grow into fruits. Flowers become fruits. Okay, F-R-U-I-T-S. All of you write down. Okay. Then fourth one. Fruits have dash inside them. Yes. What will you write there? Fruits have seeds. Very good. Fruits have seeds inside them. S-E-E-D-S. Seeds. Okay. Then fifth one. A dash has a baby plant inside it. A dash has a baby plant inside it. Yes, a seed. Okay, fourth one seeds. Then fifth one seed. S-E-E-D. A seed has a baby plant inside it. Okay. Yes. Is it clear, children? Have you all finished? Yes. Then page number 157. Okay. Yes. Rearrange the letters to make the parts of a plant. Here we can see a picture showing the different parts of a plant. So you have to rearrange the letters to make the correct one. Okay. Yes. Look at the first one, children. Yes. E-L-A-F. Yes. Look at the part. Yes, that is leaf. Okay, that's a leaf. So you have to write the L-E-A-F. Leaf. Okay. Then here, second one. Yes. R-O-L-W-E-F. That is flower. Okay, flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Then, yes. T-O-R-O. Yes. Identify the part, children. That is roots. Yes. So you have to write R-O-O-T. Okay. Yes. Then, on the left side, first one. Yes. U-T-R-I-F. That is fruit. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit. Then next M-E-S-T. Yes, that is stem. STEM. Is it clear, children? You have to write that. Okay, the correct answer. Yes, then see. What do plants need to grow? Circle the answers. Here we can see some objects. Okay, so you have to circle the objects or the things plants needs to grow. Okay, water, milk, soil, ice cream, sun, paint, bread, air, oil and fire. Yes. Tell me, children, what do plants need to grow? Yes, plants need water, soil, then sun, then also air to grow. Is it clear? Yes. So you have to circle water, soil, sun and air. Have you all finished, children? Yes. Then turn your page. Take page number 158. Okay. Yes. Here, name these. You have to give the answers. Okay. First one, big and strong plants. Yes. Those are trees. And the examples for trees are, yes, mango tree and coconut tree. You have to write the mango and coconut. Okay. Then second one, small plants with weak stem. Yes. Small plants with weak stem. Those are herbs, and examples for herbs are mint and grass. So you have to write the mint and grass. Then third one, plants that grow with support. That is climbers, money plant and grapevine. Okay, money plant and grapevine. You have to write that. Then fourth one, plants that grow on the ground. Yes, that is creepers. Yes, pumpkin and watermelon. You have to write the pumpkin and watermelon. Then fifth one, some plants with hard stem. Yes, those are shrubs. And the examples for shrubs are tulsi and rose. Tulsi and rose. Is it clear, children? Yes, then life skills. Okay. Draw plants of your choice on the pots. One has been done for you. Trace out the slogan given below. Yes, here we can see a slogan. Let me read. Plants are our friends. Plants are our friends. You have to trace the slogan, okay, with your pencil. Then here we can see here two empty pots. You have to draw plant your choice, okay, on the pots like the first one, okay. You have to draw plants of your choice. Okay, any kinds of plants. Is it clear, children? Then values for life. Okay, values for life, page number 159. Yes, say yes or no. You have to say yes or no. Yes for the correct one and no for the incorrect one. Okay. First one, I pluck leaves and flowers from plants. Yes, no, do not pluck leaves and flowers. Okay. Then, second one, I like to water plants. Say yes, very good. Because you should water plants every day. Okay. Then, I pluck raw fruits and vegetables and throw them. Yes, that is no. You should not waste food. Even is fruits or vegetable, any food. Okay, you should not waste. Yes. Then fourth one, I like collecting seeds and dried flowers. Yes. Okay, you have to write the yes. It's a good thing to collect seeds and dried flowers. Okay. Then fifth one, I like sowing saplings. Yes, very good. Yes, you should sow more and more saplings for our future. Okay. Yes, we need plants. Okay. Yes, then next one, hordes. Okay, fill in the blanks. Follow the picture close. Here we can see some pictures. So you have to identify the picture and write the names of those pictures. Okay. Yes, first one, a dash grows into a dash. Yes, first picture, a flower. A flower grows into a fruit. Yes, so you have to write there flower, flower. The next, fruit, fruit. Okay. Then second one, fruits have dash inside them. Fruits have seeds inside them. Okay. SEEDS, seeds inside them. Then third one, a seed has a dash inside it. A seed has a dash inside it. A seed has a baby plant inside it. Okay. BABYPLANT, baby plant inside it. Okay. Then fourth one, look at the picture, that is root. Okay. Roots grow under the soil. Roots grow under the soil. So you have to write there ROOTS. Okay. Then fifth one, leaves. Okay. Leaves make food for the plants. Okay. LEAVES, leaves make food for the plants. Is it clear, children? Yes. Then take next page, page number 160. Yes, activity. Okay. Find out the number of seeds for these fruits. Write their names under each group. Okay, here we can see a column or 3 columns. So you have to write the correct answer. One seed fruit, then a few seeds, then many seeds. Okay. For example, first one seed, mango. Okay. Then a few seeds, apple. Then many seeds, watermelon. Okay, like that you have to finish this column yourself. Okay, you have to finish yourself at your home. Then B. How many different kinds of plants have you seen? How many different kinds of plants have you seen? Share your list with your partner. Okay, so you have to write here the list. The different kinds of plants have you seen, like trees, jackfruit tree, coconut tree, mango tree, then shrubs like tulsi, hibiscus. Is it clear, children? Yes, like that you have to write here how many different kinds of plants have you seen. Okay, is it clear, children? Yes, with this I come with the end of this lesson. Okay, so all of you do these works at your home neatly and do WhatsApp. Okay, thank you, children.